The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 is the ultimate expression of American performance, pushing the limits of speed, power, and technology. Building on the success of the mid-engine C8 platform, the new ZR1 takes everything to the extreme, making it the most powerful Corvette ever produced. With a twin-turbocharged V8, aggressive aerodynamics, and track-focused engineering, the ZR1 is built to dominate both the road and the racetrack. At first glance, the 2025 Corvette ZR1 looks even more aggressive than its Z06 counterpart. The aerodynamic enhancements include a massive rear wing, larger front air intakes, and a redesigned front splitter to maximize downforce and cooling. The carbon fiber body elements not only enhance its striking appearance but also reduce weight for better performance. The ZR1 rides on lightweight forged wheels wrapped in high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport Cup tires, ensuring maximum grip. New, exclusive color options and bold racing stripes add to the ZR1's aggressive personality, making it stand out on the road. Under the hood, the ZR1 is powered by a 5.5-liter twin-turbocharged LT7 V8, delivering an estimated 850 horsepower and 825 pound-feet of torque. This marks the first time Chevrolet has introduced a twin-turbo setup in a production Corvette, making it the fastest and most powerful version yet. The engine is paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission that provides lightning-fast shifts, ensuring seamless power delivery. Chevrolet has also fine-tuned the ZR1's suspension and adaptive magnetic ride control system, allowing it to deliver razor-sharp handling without sacrificing ride quality. Inside, the 2025 Corvette ZR1 blends race-ready performance with high-end luxury. The cockpit is designed with a driver-focused layout, featuring carbon fiber trim, Alcantara upholstery, and bolstered racing seats. A fully digital 12-inch instrument cluster and an upgraded 8-inch infotainment touchscreen provide essential performance data, navigation, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The ZR1 also includes a performance data recorder, allowing drivers to capture their laps and analyze their driving in real time. The flat-bottom steering wheel, adorned with carbon fiber and paddle shifters, enhances the race-inspired feel of the cabin. On the road, the ZR1 is an absolute beast, capable of reaching 0 to 60 mph in just under 2.5 seconds. With a top speed exceeding 220 miles per hour, this Corvette competes with the world's best supercars. The high-performance Brembo carbon ceramic brakes provide exceptional stopping power, while the advanced aerodynamics keep the car planted at high speeds. Chevrolet has also introduced a new track mode, optimizing the suspension, throttle response, and traction control for ultimate lap times. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 is more than just a high-performance machine, it's a statement of American engineering and innovation. With its jaw-dropping power, cutting-edge technology, and track-ready design, the ZR1 raises the bar for what a Corvette can be. Whether carving corners on the racetrack or making a bold statement on the streets, the ZR1 is built to thrill. It is the ultimate Corvette, proving that Chevrolet is ready to take on the best supercars in the world.